The Kenya-China Economic and Trade Association on Tuesday donated a sum of money and materials to a school in Nairobi to finance its renovation and student meals. The KCETA, an umbrella body of Chinese enterprises based in Kenya, made the donation to Maseto Beijing School located in Mathare, a slum in Nairobi. The school currently hosts over 550 students at primary and secondary school levels, and its initial construction in 2007 was funded by the Chinese embassy in Kenya. In November 2012, the KCETA, along with other Chinese-funded institutions, raised funds to support the expansion of the school's infrastructure.
We are deeply touched by the friendship between Maseto, Beijing, and the Chinese community in Kenya during the past 50 years.
Since the outbreak of COVID-19, KCETA has donated food supplies and necessary epidemic prevention materials to ensure students' attendance and reduce school dropout due to poverty. These supplies are filled with care and expectation for each student. Also, they wish the students to become useful members of the society in later days and write a new chapter for the progress and development of Kenya.
Kiaj said that since the school's founding in 2007, 1,554 students have completed high school education, 889 have completed college studies, and 111 have graduated from university and secured jobs.